What happens when you want to play, but a friend needs your help? Follow along with author Cindy Freeland as we learn more about Chester the Chipmunk, a Chesapeake Bay adventure. Chester the Chipmunk was 3 years old and he had so much energy. What was he supposed to do all day? He saw Mr. Big, a large, grumpy frog who didn't want to play.
Mr. Big, will you please play with me?
Chester saw his friend Carly who needed help finding a new home.
How is this spot?
This isn't a good spot. It is too damp.
Chester and Carly found a new place.
Now that we found a new home for you, can we play, Carly?
Not yet. Now that we found the perfect home, we have to dig a new nest.
Carly and Chester dug a hole in the dirt for her new nest. Carly wanted to get food for her nest. They found corn kernels. They nibbled and stuffed their cheeks as they scurried off to Carly's nest. Want to know about Chester the Chipmunk? Check out all the books about the animals of the Chesapeake Bay at seabaykidsbook.com.